How to get the most money for your house, and one you probably haven't thought of before. Well, that's easy. Just put it up and list it, right? A lot of people think you can just take a few photos, slap a sign on your front lawn, and just wait for the offers to roll in. Unfortunately, it's not like this. I'm here to tell you that you will not get the most money for your house by doing the bare minimum. This, among other reasons, are why real estate agents exist in the world. I'm going to be going over in this video the top things you and your real estate agent should be doing to maximize their home sale value in 2021. What is going on, friends? Matt Carter here with another video coming to you. Today I'm going to be going over some of the tips that you can use and actually put in place to get your home sold for more money. Now, I'm only going to be talking about a few things today, so if you want more information and a complete package on how I personally would market your home, make sure to comment below or send me a message and I'd be happy to connect with you. I'm going to try to go over these things in some sort of chronological order, so if you're just in the starting phases, you know where to start with the whole picture. Now, without further ado, let's get to number one on our list, which is cleaning. Now, I know cleaning sounds like the worst chore you could ever do. Maybe some of you like it. Personally, I don't. But that's the first place to start when you're looking to go and sell your house. Bust out the mop, get those magic erasers, and go room by room and just clean everything you can see. Baseboards and walls, clean them. Ceiling fans, clean them. Vents and heat registers, clean them. You would be surprised about how far just cleaning some walls and some doorways go in setting the overall picture for your home. Along with cleaning, we get into decluttering. Now, we all have tons of stuff in our homes. I know, it's inevitable. We acquire so much junk over the years. Sometimes when you're going to sell your house, the best option is to get a storage unit. Toss all your junk in there that you don't use on a day-to-day basis and just get it out of the house. And the final thing in the cleaning stage, and it kind of goes hand in hand with everything, but also kind of getting ahead of myself a little bit, is staging your house professionally. I always advise staging for my clients because it maximizes the value that you're going to get when you sell your home. And the beauty of it, stagers can help at any point in the process. If you've just started or you're towards the end of cleaning up your house, they can come in and give you some tips, some tricks, and just some areas that you may need to work on more. Stagers offer you a variety of services from decluttering to a full-on staging of your entire home with their own furniture. Now, the level of staging that you do in your home is going to depend on a number of different things, from your finances just to the overall aesthetic of your house. The level of staging that you do depends on you, but just remember, the better your home looks, the more money you're probably going to get for it. Number two on the list kind of builds off that first step, and that has to do with just little repairs and that honey-do list that you have around your house. Big renovations and improvements don't always lead to more money at the end of the day. Those small little repairs are going to show those buyers that your house is well maintained and is going to be less of a headache in the future. Along with those little repairs, something you may want to consider is a fresh coat of paint. Scratches, dents, markings on walls or doors, just slap a new coat of paint on it. You'd be surprised how far a fresh coat goes. And a fresh coat of paint is actually one of the most cost-effective and best return on investments that you can do to your home. At the end of the day, I always suggest to my clients go through your house room by room and mark anything that needs to be fixed or could use a touch-up of paint. Number three on the list is finding a real estate agent that's going to properly market your property. Like I mentioned in the intro, selling a house is more than just taking a few photos and slapping a sign on your front lawn. It's 2021. If your real estate agent isn't marketing your home online other than realtor.ca, your agent is not marketing your home to the best of its abilities. We're ingrained in the digital world, and effective online marketing is essential to maximizing the exposure of your house. This will lead to more people coming to see your house, more people offering, and the highest possible value for your home. Your agent is working for you, so make sure they're doing everything in their power to maximize your marketing efforts. While online marketing definitely is one of the best ways to get your home sold for more money, make sure they're doing old school methods as well, such as postcards, flyers, mail-outs, and also contacting everybody in their network to make sure that everybody knows your home is for sale. Number four on the list is professional photos and video. Now, we all know that our phones can take amazing photos nowadays, but it just does not cut it for listing a property. How many times have you gone through realtor.ca looking at amazing photos from tons of properties, only to come across one that's very clear somebody has just taken pictures on their phone and uploaded it online? Now, I don't know about you, but that doesn't make me too interested in that property. So make sure that you're hiring a professional photographer or videographer if you're having video done. This is one service that your real estate agent should be offering you free of charge because it should be standard across the board now. First impressions count. Not only should you be making the inside and outside of your home look amazing, which I'll do another video on in the future, those photos are the first thing those people are looking online for your house are going to see, and you want to make sure it's a good one. High quality photos and videos could be the difference between somebody deciding to come and see your house and possibly put an offer or pass altogether. And remember, the more people you have coming through, the more potential offers you have and the higher price of your home. Number 5, and the last one on the list, maybe one that you wouldn't have really thought about. Having alternate arrangements when you're showing your home. When your house is listed, especially in a hot market, showings can come in at any time of the day, and you need to be ready to get out and allow those people to come through. Now, while some of you are able to just pick up everything and get out of the house as soon as possible, some of you may have families, animals, or just be working from home. This is why it's important to have some alternate arrangements in place when you are listing your house. There are a few different options that I suggest to my clients, being having a friend to stay at, a family member, or sometimes just renting an Airbnb or hotel for the week that the house is listed so you're not in the way of anybody. Well, I know it could be a hassle to set all this up or even some money to rent a hotel or Airbnb. In the long run, it's going to save you time, stress, and the whole selling process is going to be a whole lot easier for you. Not to mention, the easier and more flexible your schedule is, the easier it is for buyers to come in, and you guessed it, more money for your house. Well, that about wraps it up for today. I hope you enjoyed the 5 things you can do to maximize the sale price of your home. By no means is this list exclusive. There's a ton of other ways we can get the most money for your house. And if you're interested in learning more, comment below or shoot me a message. I'd be happy to connect with you and help you out with anything you need. Make sure to like, comment, hit that notification button so you don't miss anything in the future, and I will see you next time.